Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. India's first overseas defense manufacturing facility was inaugurated in which African country? A. Morocco, B. Chad, C. Egypt, D. Nigeria. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. The Ojo hydroelectric project with a capacity of 2220 MW is proposed on which river? A. Subansiri, B. Dibang, C. Manas, D. Lohit. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. The foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Park was laid in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Which state has become the fifth state/union territory to achieve full functional literacy? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Lakshadweep, C. Uttarakhand, D. Manipur. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. Yuktadhara portal is a geographical information system powered platform designed for which scheme? A. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, B. Jal Jeevan Mission, C. PM Awas Yojana Gramin, D. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Correct answer is D. Question number 6. Which organization launched the Bharti initiative to boost agri-food exports? A. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, B. Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, C. Niti Aayog, D. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. National Disaster Response Force is a specialized disaster response force under which ministry? A. Ministry of Urban Development, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Defense, D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. The Sadak Suraksha Mitra program is initiated under which central ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. Kutiyadi coconut is mainly cultivated in which state? A. Karnataka, B. Goa, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. Which state has become India's third fully literate state after Mizoram and Goa? A. Tripura, B. Odisha, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. Where is South Asia Regional Center of the International Potato Center being established? A. Patna, Bihar, B. Agra, Uttar Pradesh, C. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, D. Nadia, West Bengal. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. The Registrar General of India functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, B. Ministry of Defense, C. Ministry of Law and Justice, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is D. Question number 13. Which organization has developed the Sachet system to send real-time disaster alerts across India? A. Center for Development of Telematics, B. Defense Research and Development Organization, C. Bharat Electronics Limited, D. National Informatics Center. Correct answer is A. Question number 14. Where is the 75th Pradhan Mantri Divas Kendra inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh? A. Badaun, B. Kanpur, C. Lucknow, D. Varanasi. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. Which initiative of Kerala was recently recognized by the UNICEF as a global best practice in response educational technology? A. Kite, B. Kerala Vidya Lakshmi Scheme, C. Kerala E-Vidya, D. Diksha Platform. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Where was the Mahila Arogyam Kaksh inaugurated to promote women's well-being in government workspaces? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Hyderabad, D. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. National Institutional Ranking Framework was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Education, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Which state has launched India's first ever mining tourism initiative? A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is D. Question number 19. Which ministry has launched the revamped Mission Vatsalya portal as a unified digital platform for child protection services? A. Ministry of Education, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. What is the name of operation launched by Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to target the illegal import of Pakistani origin goods? A. Operation Black Hawk, B. Operation Standstorm, C. Operation Deep Manifest, D. Operation Tread Watch. Correct answer is C. Question 21. The Central Adoption Resource Authority is a statutory body of which ministry? A. Ministry of Social Justice, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question 22. What is the name of the operation under which Narcotics Control Bureau busted the darknet drug racket? A. Operation Apple, B. Operation Melon, C. Operation Tiger, D. Operation Storm. Correct answer is B. Question 23. Where was the statue of Maratha warrior Peshwa Bajirao I installed in Maharashtra? A. Pune, B. Nagpur, C. Amravati, D. Nasik. Correct answer is A. Question 24. What is the main objective of India's battery passport system? A. To track fuel consumption in EVs, B. To calculate road tax of electric vehicles, C. To provide digital information about EV batteries to owners, D. To increase petrol vehicle sales. Correct answer is C. Question 25. Where is the 75th Pradhan Mantri Divasya Kendra inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh? A. Badaun, B. Kanpur, C. Lucknow, D. Varanasi. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.